A canoe is bringing some sick people from across the river. As you can see in the picture, the boatman is dressed in PPE and will have a sprayer who is on board to ensure that he sprays the canoe after the patients get out. This is altogether a new area of adventure that we are taking in the fight against Ebola. The good thing here is that all of these modalities have been put in place where sick people are identified and collected and taken to the ETU. Right now we are crossing them over and they will be on this side whilst we have already called for the ambulance that we expect to be on its way now. Our intention is to have a special canoe that we assign here with a sprayer and a dedicated person who will be always wearing PPEs to cross the sick people until we are able to curtail the spread of Ebola across the St. Paul River in Bapolo County. It's altogether a new thing. We are studying this today and we now implement new strategies on how to make it more safer. All of these materials were provided by global communities. We did a training for over 23 persons who will serve in the burial and the disinfection team across the river. So one of them innovatively started crossing people and making sure that whatever canoe they use is safe after they are crossed.